ball for javelin throw women. Seat number 247 and 317. 247 Shagota Farooq, Hobibakul.
Welcome back to Sirampur Sporting Association today on Thursday and 6th February 2025 and Host College, Sirampur Girls College today, Athletics and Sports Association and sports game under Inter College State Sports and Games Championship. So West Bengal and the government of West Bengal and Education Directorate. So thank you so much, and many participants, college participants, students have participants today, and performance, athletics and runs, all type of games are enjoy and match participate day and performance today, and professors, masters and principals and all the positions, designation persons have presented and arrangement and enjoy.